Alright my friend, in this video, in day 3, we're going to get a little bit tactical and really I'm going to show you the two things that's going to bring the marketing system together, and really these are the only two things that you need to really build this marketing engine. And the first thing that we're going to need is a funnel builder. And what we're going to do in the funnel builder is we're going to be building a custom front door to where we're going to be sending all our traffic to, and we're going to build this custom front door in a software that's below, but we'll jump into that in the next video. So on the custom front door, everyone's going to be a little bit different for their different niche, different engine, different vehicles, things like that there. Then from the landing page we can take them to our offer, and where the offer is where we make money, and this is the money here. So this is system 1 that we're going to be building out, and it's pretty simple. Then the second system is our email autoresponder system, because what we're going to do is a little bit different than what most people are doing out there right now. And I don't know if you've seen it before, but a lot of people they build a website and they send all these people to their website, pay per click or whatever it is, and basically they're just wasting money. They're pouring a whole bunch of money down the drain, and I don't want that for you, my friend. I want to help you save as much money as possible and maximise the most amount of that money to yield the most results. So this is why it's so important that we send people to a landing page where we capture their email address, but where we can market to them later on without having to pay money to bring them to our site, their offer again, and things like that there. So it's very, very important that we have this system here. Then we are integrating it with this autoresponder system where we can build an email list, and this is where it really becomes so cool, kind of like building your own Facebook or something like that there, but a little bit different. So the second system that we're going to have is our email autoresponder, where we're going to build our email list, and this email list can get as big as you want, and then we're going to have an autoresponder sequence. So this autoresponder sequence is going to send out emails maybe day 0, day 2, maybe 4 days later, things like that there, and it's going to send these emails out for you on automation without you having to go out there and physically write the email every single day to broadcast and things like this here. This is going to take people back to either your offer or a different type of page that we kind of call a stick page, and it's going to be really cool. So these are the two systems, my friend, and all that we're going to do today is get these two systems, these tools from below, set up, and we're going to link them together, which is going to be really, really simple. I'm going to show you in the next video how we do that there.